formula Betty Jo showed me sure is going to make finding out how many people I can invite to my party easier. I'm going to take a quick brain break and get a snack. Oh, yum! Chocolate pie with sprinkles is my favorite. Mom, did you notice that you made a pattern on the pie with the sprinkles? No, I didn't notice. What is the pattern, Sally? Well, there are 3 rows of sprinkles. Starting from the top, there is 1 sprinkle, and the following row has the same amount of sprinkles plus 1 on each side. It's the same pattern for the next row. It's called an arithmetic sequence. That is very observant of you, Sally. Well, it's fresh on my mind because Betty Jo just taught me a cool formula to use with these types of patterns. It's called the arithmetic sequence formula. I'm going to use it to figure out how many people I can invite to my birthday party at the movie theater. Cool. Can I watch you figure it out? Sure. I have all the information here in my notebook. When I went to the theater, I noticed that there were 8 seats on the first row. Each consecutive row had the same number of seats as the row before it, plus 1 extra seat on each side. I counted, and there were 10 rows total. The formula that I'm going to use is S of n equals n times a1 plus an divided by 2. S of n means the sum of seats with n number of rows. N will equal 10 since there are 10 rows, and we're trying to figure out the total. A1 means the first term, or the number of seats on the first row. In this case, A1 equals 8. An represents the number of seats on the nth row. We already figured out that n equals 10, so An means how many seats are on the 10th row. Since we don't know this, we can use another formula to figure it out. That formula is A of n equals A1 plus n minus 1 times D. N equals 10 and A1 equals 8, just like we used in the other formula. And D is the common difference, which will be 2 since each consecutive row has 2 extra seats. So we'll solve this first. A of 10 equals 8 plus 10 minus 1 times 2. If we do all that math, we get A of 10 equals 26. So there are 26 seats on the 10th row. Now we have all of the information that we need to solve for the total number of seats. We'll start with that first formula. S of n equals n times A1 plus An divided by 2. If we plug in our numbers, it reads S of 10 equals 10 times 8 plus 26 divided by 2. And we do all that math. And we get S of 10 equals 170. That means I can invite 170 people to my birthday. That's impressive, Sally Sue. But don't forget about yourself. You'll need a seat too. You're right, Mom. Good thinking. So really, I can invite 169 friends and family to my birthday party. I hope you're planning on me being one of those. Well, of course, Mom. I'm going to finish this pie now. All that math wore me out.